Hello friends, this video on mechanical properties of solid part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos from part 1 to part 5 before going ahead with part 6. Now let us look at certain conclusions from the stress strain curve. That is, we reach at certain results which we arrive at on the basis of our study from stress strain curve. This was our stress strain curve. The first thing which we conclude is an object is brittle if D and E are very close. So which was point E? This was the point E where fracture occurs, and this point was point D. So it says that if D and E are very close, if these 2 points are very close to each other, that means the object is brittle. What do you mean by brittle? Brittle means an object which breaks down. For example, let us say glass. Glass is a brittle material. Let us suppose you have a bottle made of glass. In one hand you have a bottle made of glass, and on the other hand you have a plastic bottle. You drop both of them from the same height, or you drop both of them suddenly. What happens? The glass bottle breaks down, whereas the plastic doesn't break. Why? That is because the glass is a brittle substance. That is a substance which easily breaks down. So any substance which is brittle will have, if you draw the stress strain curve of a substance which is brittle, you will see that the point D and the point E are very close. So point E, as closer the point E is towards point D, that means the fracture will occur more quickly. If point E is very close to point D, that means fracture will occur very quickly. So the body will break down very quickly. So try to understand the logic behind why D and E will be very close if the object is brittle. I hope you are getting me, because point D is the ultimate tensile strength. That means after point D, the strength of the body will not increase anymore, because after point D, the stress will decrease and the strain will increase. So the body can break down anytime. So if that fracture point is closer to point D, that means it will break down even more quickly. So the object will be brittle. An object is ductile if D and E are far from each other. Now in the same way, if suppose point E is far away, that means the object will not break down easily. So this object will be ductile. What do you mean by ductile? The objects which can be easily drawn into wires. For example, I guess I had discussed in first few slides, right? Ductility. For example, if you consider metals like gold, silver, you see that they make chains and all those ornaments of gold and silver. How come? How is that possible? So if it had gold or silver been brittle, in that case you would not have been able to draw them into thin wires, because they will break down. As you try stretching them, they will break down. But it is not like that. They have this property because the fracture point is far away from the ultimate tensile strength. That means if they breaks down after a long time, that means after the strain is capable of getting increased even with decreased stress for a long time. So this region D and E region is very wide. So those substances are ductile. Elastic substances like rubber have larger elastic region. So more elastic a substance is, the broader or the larger will be the elastic region. Which is the elastic region? So from O to A is perfectly elastic. From A, this is A and this is B. So from O to A is perfectly elastic, A to B is also in the elastic region. So B is the elastic limit. That means this region O to B will be large. So if you think of a substance which is very much elastic, they will have a very broad elastic region. I'm sorry, I'm not drawing it very nicely, but then it's okay. Something of this sort. If you see this figure, you see that the plastic region is very small. Plastic region is only this much, but this elastic region is more. So for substances which are very much elastic, their elastic region will be more. Similarly, for substances which are plastic, for them the plastic region would be more. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.